Now, we are rapidly approaching that time of the year when many go back to the village, to see our relatives back home in the rural areas and to see how they're doing. Some of us travel from countries which are very far away, the US, Europe, etc., etc. But when you reach a rural area, you can't even charge your smartphone. And therefore, a very viable option we should all consider is solar. And what I would highly recommend is that you seek professionals when installing solar in your rural home. Professionals like Power Africa Solar. You know, in the past, solar has had a bad name in some parts of Kenya because people think it's just a matter of putting up solar panels on the roof. Jua iko nyingi. No. This thing involves calculations to determine the number of solar panels you need. Because with the correct calculation by professionals, you can even power that house of yours in Nairobi, so that when there's a power outage, you're okay. Everything in your huge mansion runs as usual until the power people sort themselves out. And I think most of us are aware that power outages don't just happen in Africa. Anyway, I recommend you visit the powerafricasolar.com website. You can start there, get a quotation, and get things going. Let's give our rural folk something to really smile about as we head towards the end of the year. Now, Power Africa Solar have offices in Nairobi, Mombasa, and Kisumu. And there's some very good news for those of us who are in the United States. You can contact the US office, get quotations, make payments, organize everything from there for your rural folk in Kenya. Now, is that convenient or what? Because we all know about the issues of sending money home for certain projects. Let me just leave it at that. Deal with the professionals, Power Africa Solar, and see the difference.